Problem 65, Quantum Mechanics. The question is, an electron is in the ground state of a hydrogen atom. The probability that it is within the Bohr radius is approximately equal to. Here we have to find out the probability that the electron is in the first Bohr orbit. We have the ground state wave function in the case of hydrogen atom is CSIR equal to 1 by root of pi a0 cube e raised to minus r by a0, and the probability is given by integral psi star psi d tau. Here it is integral 0 to a0 psi 0 square 4 pi r square dr, where a0 is the Bohr radius. Now we can write it as integral 0 to a0 1 by pi a0 cube e raised to minus 2r by a0 into 4 pi r square dr. This is equal to 4 by a0 cube into integral 0 to a0 r square e raised to minus 2r by a0 dr. This is equal to 4 by a0 cube into r square minus a0 by 2 e raised to minus 2r by a0 within the limit from 0 to a0. This is first function into integral of second minus integral 0 to a0, the derivative of r square 2r, then integral of second minus a0 by 2 e raised to minus 2r by a0 dr. This is equal to 4 by a0 cube into, let us apply the limit to the first term. Now the first term become minus a0 cube by 2 e raised to minus 2. The second term is a0 by 2 into 2, that is a0 integral 0 to a0 r e raised to minus 2r by a0 dr. Now this is equal to 4 by a0 cube minus a0 cube by 2 e raised to minus 2 plus a0. Now let us do the integration. First function r into integral of second minus a0 by 2 e raised to minus 2r by a0 within the limit 0 to a0 minus integral 0 to a0, then minus a0 by 2 e raised to minus 2r by a0 dr. This is equal to 4 by a0 cube minus a0 cube by 2 e raised to minus 2 minus a0 cube by 2 e raised to minus 2 plus a0 square by 2 integral 0 to a0 e raised to minus 2r by a0 dr. This is equal to 4 by a0 cube. Let us combine the first two terms, that is a0 cube e raised to minus 2 plus a0 square by 2 into minus a0 by 2 e raised to minus 2r by a0 within the limit 0 to a0. Now on simplifying we will get 4 by a0 cube minus a0 cube e raised to minus 2 minus a0 cube by 4 e raised to minus 2 minus e raised to 0 is 1. Now after simplification you will get the answer as a0 cube and a0 cube cancel. The 4 and 4 cancel in the second term. So the remaining term is 1 minus 5 by e square, and this is equal to 0.32. Therefore option D is correct.